elevators at the World Trade Center ramp. St. Paul, Minnesota. These are Otis. 10. Let's get a view of the window. Here at 10. There's a view of the Capitol building out here. Right down the 1. Yeah, this road down here is really well in construction right now. Right there. We're at 1. So remember security. Let's set this one up so we can ride the other one. These are still Otis, but I always still love Otis. We have object coated floors on these. Here's the other one. I'll take this one. It's the last 4 we went. 10. We'll watch numbers this time. These are really close. Here's a view up here. The garage. Right over here is the light rail, which is actually the green line. The blue line is actually in Minneapolis right now, but it connects to Minneapolis. Well, the blue line actually connects to the green line. We're probably making one in Prairie right now, but it's probably gonna be a while till it's done. Not even close, but it's gonna be a while. Again, these are really nice elevators. Really nice Otis traction elevators. We might get this one back. Oh, I'm setting this one down. Yeah, I'm setting this one down because I already rode this one. You can just go down to 1 if you want. I want that one because that one I want to ride back down. We're kind of above the Westinghouse elevators, by the way, because there are Westies that go down to the bottom. Here's now we'll take it down to 1. Get a cab view. Very nice elevators, right? The Otis, but they're probably Series 2, but these connect to the Children's Museum. So probably film the elevator in the future, but maybe. And I guess enough fun with these ones. There it goes. That's it.